Creations. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. So what do I have going on for today? Today I am bringing to you a Michaels and Joann's haul. I have found some really amazing items at Michaels and some really great clearance items at Joann's. I am also collaborating with none other than Kayla, Bame, and Alli's Attic. So after this video, you will have to head on over to their channel because they also did a Michaels haul. You'll have to see what kind of items Kayla hauled in her haul and what kind of items Alli hauled in hers, because they both have some really fun items in their hauls as well. In today's Joann's haul, I found some really amazing items on clearance that were just priced so amazingly I couldn't pass them up. So let's jump into this. Let me show you what I got from Michaels and what amazing clearance items I picked up at Joann's. Starting this haul off, I picked up this Happy Memory Keeping 12-month calendar. It's an 8.5 by 11 size planner. And I just love this one because of what it says. It says, everyone has a story to record. This is a planner that I will be using for my everyday life. I also picked up this smaller Hooray for Today 12-month calendar. It's got the blocked month here. And then it also has the week. So that way you have more area to fill in for each specific day. I love for each month of this planner, you can fill in what you're reading, what you're planning, watching, eating, drinking, loving, feeling, listening to, celebrating what you're excited for, what you're practicing, specific dates that you want to remember, things you're going to celebrate, and what goals you want to achieve for that month. I love this little calendar. This is such a fun little calendar with everything that it has in it. And this one will be used for Alli and Alli's Attic for me to stay organized as to what videos I need to record with her and when we will be posting them. And this Happy Planner here is an 18-month planner. It is also an 8.5 by 11 size planner. This one goes from July 2018 till December 2019. And I loved the front of this one because it says, plans are dreams in the making. And that is exactly what I feel when it comes to YouTube. And again, this one has the blocked out month here, so you can see your full month in its entirety. And then you've got your weeks broken up. And what I love about this bigger Happy Planner is that you've got 3 blocks for each day. That is awesome, and that always really helps me to break up my day into the morning, during the day, and the night, which always seems to help keep me just a bit more organized. Although it doesn't have the what you're doing for that month, it does have a spot for specific notes, your monthly goals, what birthdays, important dates. I really like this a lot. I love how bright and vibrant this one is. And as silly as it sounds, it just makes it a bit nicer, maybe a bit funner when planning out your days and your weeks for each month of the year. I also found this Be Happy pencil case, and this is a pencil case that I will be using for my colored pencils for my adult coloring book. And I love, love, love these DIY farmhouse signs by Art Minds. These are plaques. They come with the burnt edges. I love them. And this one says, love you more. This is a saying that Kayla and I have said to each other since she could even talk. They had so many of these with different sayings. They were originally $6.99. They were 50% off, and I was allowed to pair my 20% off coupon off of regular and sale priced items with it. I believe I paid about $2.50 for each of these. I also picked up a bottle of this Folk Art Crackle Medium. This I will be using in some upcoming farmhouse DIYs. Michaels also had their journals on sale for $5 a piece. Couldn't pass these up, so I picked up this Be Happy. And this goes with the pencil case that I got. I picked this journal up just because I loved what it said on the front, find joy in the ordinary. I love that. And Alli spotted this one with unicorns on it, so we couldn't leave Alli out, so we got her this unicorn journal. All of Michael's tiny treasures were also on sale for 50% off, and I typically don't buy these. I saw this trailer, had to have it for the motorhome, so I picked this up for $7. I also picked up 4 more of these plain squishies that you can color or paint for when we are on vacation for Kayla, Alli, and I. Moving on to Joann's clearance, I found these fat quarters that were marked down to 25 cents a piece. I love fabric, I couldn't pass these up. There is this blue star, this white with star fireworks, and this red and white gingham. What a fantastic buy at 25 cents a piece. I just recently picked up a letterboard as well, and I found these letterboard letters. These are 2-inch tall letters for $2.97 for this box. There are 148 characters in the color of pink. I also picked up this set for $2.97, and it's a darker pink. That is an amazing buy when these were regularly $19.99 a piece. I picked up 2 of these letterboard icons at $2.47 a piece. This one is coffee and wine. I just thought this was so stinking cute, and I really just got this because of the coffee icons. And I also picked up these letterboard words, XOXO, forever, love, you and me. This is so me. I loved this one. Had to have it. I also found these decorative accent gems for 97 cents a pack. These were such a steal. I picked up 5 of them, and I will be using them for upcoming Christmas DIYs. And last but certainly not least, this E6000, which is always a necessity for me. And there you have it for my Michaels and Joann's haul. I think I found some really fun items, and you can almost guarantee that you will see some of these items in upcoming DIYs. Don't forget to head on over to Kayla and Alli's channel to see what they hauled from Michaels. You can find the links to their videos in the description box below. Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's get this video to 2,000 likes. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, happy shopping on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.